Hello people, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about types of software testing. Before getting started with this video, if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you are already a subscriber, then please do watch whole video and hit the like button. Now let's get started. Types of software testing. See, software testing is classified based on different factors like performance, security, and so many. But mainly, software testing is classified into two types. So, the first one is manual testing, and the other is automation testing. What is manual testing? For example, you wanted to test the login functionality of a shopping application. What you will do? You will visit that website, you click on login, then you enter the credentials, then click on the login button. If it redirects you to the correct page, then you will decide that the application is working fine. So, whatever the testing you have done manually in this example is nothing but manual testing. Now, let's see the definition. Manual testing is when a person checks the software by using it just like a normal user. So, just like a normal user, the tester will check whether the software is working in the correct way or not. So, instead of just using like a normal user, what the tester will do is it will perform different actions to see if everything works fine. What is this different actions? For example, take the same login page. In the login page, there is a email field. Sorry, there is a email field, and the other is there is a password field, and the last you will be having login button, right? So different actions means he will be trying different permutations and combinations. So for the first time, he will be entering a valid email address, and if he is giving invalid password and is trying to log into that page. And the other scenario is he will give invalid email but he will give valid password and he tries to log into that page. And in another scenario, he will be giving valid email and valid password and he tries to log into that page. And the other scenario is he will give invalid email and he will give invalid password and then he tries to log into that page. So he will be trying different actions on a single functionality. So that kind of testing is known as manual testing. Okay. So now let's understand what are the advantages and disadvantages of this manual testing. See, this manual testing can't be done for everything. I mean, you need lot of human effort, right? But sometimes when you are giving so much effort, sometimes errors will happen. So, where you can use this manual testing? For UI testing, it is a good choice. I mean, user interface testing. What is meant by user interface testing? Whatever you see on your screen, you are checking whether the text is aligned properly or the color of the button is good. You are checking all those things is nothing but UI testing. So for those kind of testings, this manual testing is good. And what are the disadvantages of using this manual testing? It is time consuming process. Why? It is not done by machine, it is done by human. So it is time consuming process. And the other is sometimes as a human we will be doing mistakes, right? So mistakes will happen. So again you have to recheck those whole processes. So that is the disadvantage. So this is about manual testing. What is automation testing? So, without any human, whatever the testing we will do, that is known as automation testing. Okay, so let's see the definition. Automation testing uses a program that follows a set of instructions to check the software on its own without a human doing everything manually. Without any human intervention means that doesn't mean human is not involved. Human is involved to write the scripts, but the software will take care to run all those scripts automatically. So that is nothing but automation testing. So what are the advantages and disadvantages, like where you can use this automation testing is if you wanted to test the application for several number of times, then you will be using this automation testing. Like for repetitive checks, you will be using automation testing. And what is the disadvantages? So when you are setting up in the beginning, it will take some effort, like cost, all those things. In manual testing, that effort is not required, but in when it comes to automation testing, that initial setup is required. I mean, that initial effort is required. Now, let's discuss the differences between the automation testing and manual testing. Okay. When it comes to manual testing, in the initial stage, I mean, less cost is required. But when it comes to automation testing, while you are setting up in the beginning, it requires cost. But when it comes to long term, it is cost effective. And here in manual testing, human effort is required because it is manual testing and you require human. But when it comes to automation testing, human effort is not required. Human is only responsible to write the scripts. And when it comes to manual testing, the execution speed is slow because all the things were executed by human itself. So the execution speed is slow. When it comes to automation testing, see, once you write the script and it can be executed any number of times with the fastest execution speed. So based on these things, you have to choose the right testing method for your project needs. According to the project needs, you have to select the testing method. Okay, if you want to work with small projects, you can go with manual testing. And if you want to work with larger products, then you can use automation testing. So this is about the types of software. I mean, I have explained only the main types of software, that is manual testing and automation testing. Thank you. If you like my content, then please do like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.